Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with QuickNode for block notifications, full guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the QuickNode website. If you do not already have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information to register. After registration, log in to your QuickNode account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Create a Project option. Click on Create a Project to start setting up your node. Choose the blockchain network you wish to receive notifications for. Provide a name for your project in the designated field. After naming your project, click on Create Project to finalize. Once your project is created, you will see your project's detail page. Look for the webhooks section on this page. In the webhooks section, click on Add Webhook. You will need to enter a URL for where you want your notifications to be sent. Ensure that the URL is accessible and can handle incoming data. Save your settings after selecting your desired notifications. You will now receive block notifications to your specified URL. To test your webhook, you can use a tool like Postman to send a test notification. Monitor your server or application to ensure it receives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.